Good evening all, MacBlogs here, aka Ian. Yes, I am back at Manchester Airport. That only means one thing. I am flying out here tomorrow and I'm going to Orlando and more specifically Walt Disney World. But this video is where I'm staying. So I'm staying at the DoubleTree by Hilton, right next to the airport, basically the DoubleTree by Hilton, Manchester Airport. Right next to the station, like the hub where all the trains and the buses go in. So that's where I am. And yeah, it's good to be back. This will be a tour of the room mainly. So it's a queen room, roughly about £180 for one night. Now I do have other videos from other hotels like the Clayton Hotel, the Radisson Hotel, and I've got more coming as well. So I've got this and videos from pre-travel day vlogs from when I've stayed at Manchester Airport before. And plenty of other things as well. So, but if you're looking to stay at this airport for whatever reason and looking at hotels, then hopefully find this video useful. So let's have a look around at the DoubleTree by Hilton in this room, queen room. So let's go. So as always, starting at the front door, I'm loving this old school wooden frame. The peephole or viewfinder, which is moving, spinning. Yeah, all your standard stuff, thumb turn, little lock there. Then coming in, a little bit of room as you walk in to the room. You have the wardrobe space here, which we'll come back to in a moment. Little shelf storage space here with a picture, and left hand side here you have a kettle, some mugs, some coffees, and again storage space here, little socket power outlet there, just the one. I wanted to come in here and just do a general overview first to give you a feel for the room. Now we can go into more detail. There's not much of a view, unfortunately. One, because it's dark and I am on the second level, so not high up. But yeah, I'll try my best to bring what I can. So let's go back. So inside the wardrobe, nice big space up there to store. I have my jumper out just now, but hangers. There is a cleaning service, I believe. Make some noise. Stop. Thank you. Right. So you can pause this video anytime you wish to get the prices. I'll just put it there to make it easier. So ironing board. You do have a safe there as well. It's not a big safe, but a safe nevertheless, and some storage as well. So that is a wardrobe with these different looking handles, like leather handles. Go back and look at the bathroom in a moment, but yeah, these are your teas, coffees, all your standard stuff. Nescafe, Tetley, some herbal tea there, some normal tea, your milks, real cups there, real mugs. Got the thermostat here. One thing I did notice with the thermostat is it's kind of loose a little bit, but hopefully it's safe. The bed is big enough for me. I'm nearly 6'4", 6'3", 6'4". So yeah, looks good for me. Floating shelf and floating shelf both sides of the bed. Bedside lights. It's controlled by these switches here. You have double socket by DoubleTree, there you go, double socket and two USB points there. And I believe, I'll have a quick look just now, it's the same on that side as well. So yep, you like that? You like the USB points as well. Old school phone. You have your different options here. So you have your care line and front desk, housekeeping, room service. I might use room service to be fair. Depends how busy it is. It did look busy down there. Nice tree with the light there as well. Tree? Did I just say tree? Nice chair. It's been a long day. I'm just off a 6-hour bus trip to get down here, so apologies. Information here is Hilton Honours member. Sitting on that nice table there. There's a spin round, your CV. I'll get out of the way. Got a lamp, nice desk here. I don't know if that's like a light comes through that or not, but I like that. It's nice and different. You've got a double socket with the 2 USB points there as well. The mirror, nice big TV, good size TV with all the information there with the in-room dining and stuff and guest service. Let's have a look at the in-room dining. Maybe not. What's going on? It says they're coming soon, so maybe there isn't. In-room dining just now. I've got the option on the phone, but it's not there. Anyway, guest services, is it on that? Feed the body, feed the soul. That's what it says there. That's just the breakfast information. Right, I'm confused. Right, no idea what's going on here. Let's go back, let's get out of that. So let's just say there's no in-room dining just now. I did notice this is the shuttle. So have you booked your airport shuttle? Now I am going to walk over because it isn't far from me, just myself. I know kind of where I'm going roughly, apart from I can't find a path just now that walks into this hotel, but there's a QR code if you want to book it in advance. So just scan that. I believe you have to pay for it as well. The Clayton hotel where I stayed at before that was free. That was just checked in and they ask you what time you would like to book your shuttle for, and then just book it. So let's go into the bathroom. And it's nice, it's clean. That's the main thing for me, see if it's nice and clean. And that's all that matters, is me. So yeah, got a bath in this room. Shower curtain, shaver socket, shaver points, mirror. Ooh. Got complimentary stuff here as well. Let's have a look. What do we have? So we've got body wash, gel, body lotion, conditioner, shampoo. There's a facial soap and a shower cap for all the hair that I have left. Towels up there. You've got these hooks as well. Yeah, it's clean. That's the main thing for me. I wouldn't say it's very modern. A lot of mismatches going on, but it's clean, and that's all I care about. So it does the job for me. Let's. Hi tree. Forgot to say there's another tree there. Nice chair there. What I'm going to do is show you the view and the reflection of me. Look at the rain, I don't know if you can see that there, in the puddles. See, hopefully You see what I'm talking about with the weather? It is horrendous just now. It's really bad. But yeah, there's a view of the car park. Hopefully you like that view. Oh dear, what am I like? Nice mirror there as well. I missed that there. Oh, there's a point there as well, charging point. And power outlet there as well. So the only thing, I mentioned this in my kind of pre-travel day vlog, if you haven't watched that, if it's your first time watching me, there's no fridge. So, no fridge, but a hairdryer. It's just, for me, for £180 for one night, there's no fridge. That's a big letdown, in my opinion. You do get a cookie though. You gave me a cookie, which I'm going to enjoy. I haven't ate it yet, just in case you're wondering. I know everyone probably thought that I've had that already. I haven't. But yeah, let me turn this background. Oh, got to take a seat. Or sit in the tree. Don't know what I was thinking. DoubleTree. Well, just tired. One of those days. But yeah, that's really the room. That's the lamp. But this is the room. That's really it. The only letdown to me is it's not highly modern, but it is very clean. There's not like major scratches or dinks and dents, and none of that. So it is a nice room. It is a nice hotel. Just the fridge. That's the only thing I would say. And so far, me trying to get into the hotel, but don't listen to me for that. That's probably just me trying to get to the hotel, walking. That is. But for that price, and where I've stayed at before, in the Radisson, that's for me, that's my favourite hotel here. I'll be honest, that's my favourite hotel because it has the lounge there as well. You can sit and relax, watch the planes and all of that stuff, and just basically roll into the airport the next day for your flight. So, but this is not too bad walking wise. It just means that I might get wet, or if it's snowing, dangerous to walk. I'm not saying, I mean, I just jinxed it, I know, but hopefully it's not snowing. That's not what we want tomorrow for myself. But yeah, on that note, this is really it for the room, and there's nothing else I can really tell you. So if you want to follow me, enjoy my community, then links are down below. Subscribe to myself on YouTube, on this video that you're watching. Share it, like it, that stuff. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, all those that link and information down below is in the description box. So hopefully you found this video useful. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you all following, subscribing, all these things as well. But yeah, tune in to probably will be the next video where I start the Walt Disney World vlog series. If you like Orlando, you're going to want to see this. If not, if you want to just have something to watch and entertain, then hopefully I do that as well. Anyway, thank you for watching. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye bye.